Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 17 of the daily crypto installment program. On January 27th, 2025, I purchased Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Here's a recording of the purchase transaction for the three cryptocurrencies. I recorded it for personal documentation purposes, and I hope its value continues to rise. I won't be selling it and taking the money, but if I do sell any of the ETH or XRP, I'll use it to buy Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Will this end in profit or loss? Let me know in the comments. Now, while the recording is running, let's get down to business. Today's topic: what is Ethereum 2.0? Ethereum 2.0 is a major update to the Ethereum network. Its goal: to make transactions faster, cost less, and be more environmentally friendly. Previously, Ethereum transactions used the proof-of-work system. Now they use proof-of-stake. This means there's no need for mining, which uses large amounts of electricity. Ethereum 2.0 also makes the network more scalable, allowing for more transactions in a shorter time. This is an important step towards Ethereum's mass adoption in the future. I'm increasingly convinced that buying ETH daily isn't about speculation, but about participating in the ever-evolving technology. If you agree with me, please like this video or leave a comment about why you disagree. See you tomorrow. We'll talk more about XRP.